Greetings, mathematicians. Today we're going to be solving quadratic equations by factoring. So our first one, 1a, is not set equal to 0. So subtract 12 from both sides and we get 2x squared minus 5x minus 12 is equal to 0. Now that it's set equal to 0, we factor it. There's no or I should say the GCF is 1. So we're going to be going to AC method here. So A is 2, B is -5, and C is -12. A times C is -24, so my factors of 24, 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, and 4 and 6. The numbers that are going to help me here are 3 and 8, but because it's negative, one of these is negative, and it's the 8 that's negative because 3 times -8 gives me -24, 3 plus -8 gives me -5. So these two are going to help me split this middle term. So it's going to be 2x squared plus 3x minus 8x minus 12 equals 0. This is how it's a little bit different from previous ones. And now we're going to do our factoring by grouping. So here the GCF in the first group is x. And what's multiplied to it is 2x plus 3. X times 2x is 2x squared. X times 3 is 3x. -8x and minus 12. This is going to be a GCF. Factor out a -4. So -4 times 2x gives us our -8x, and -4 times a positive 3 gives us our 12. Set that equal to 0. And now we factor out the GCF of the 2x plus 3. So 2x plus 3 times what's left of x minus 4 equals 0. And now, because it's an equation set equal to 0, we can solve for the factors. If we set each factor equal to 0, we'll find the solutions. So here, and remember, when you have the factor, it's the opposite of this number divided by the coefficient. So here, it would be x equals -3 over 2. That's one of your solutions. And the other one, set it equal to 0. Well, 4 minus 4 is 0, so x equals 4. And it also follows that rule, the opposite of this number divided by the coefficient. Positive 4, which is opposite of -4, divided by 1 gives you 4. And that's example 1a.